Welcome back! I'm your teacher Jel, and for today's video, we are going to explore how to subtract integers. So are you all excited to learn today? Very good!
As you can see on the table given, it shows the subtracting integer rules with examples. So try to look at it.
So, are you all ready to try? Good job! So let's do it!
For examples, we have positive 6 minus positive 2 equals positive 4 because we are subtracting a smaller positive number from a bigger one. Next example, we have positive 3 minus negative 2. We need to multiply the negative signs to make negative 2 into positive. So it will become 3 plus 2 is equals to positive 5. And because subtracting a negative is the same as adding its opposite. Next example, we have negative 6 minus positive 3. It will become negative 9 because we are taking away a positive number from a negative 1, which makes it more negative. So the last is negative 6 minus negative 3. We need to multiply the negative signs to make negative 3 into positive, and subtracting a negative is adding its opposite. So it will become negative 6 plus 3 is equals to negative 3.